Hi people! In this tutorial video, I'll show you how I set up Jupyter notebooks to use a Python Virtualenv. Let's start by creating a folder for our project. Go inside that folder and create a new Virtualenv. In this case, I wanted to use Python 3. After that, we activate our Virtualenv and install ipykernel. This is what makes everything possible. Now that we have ipykernel installed, we can use it to create a new Jupyter kernel with our project name. Let's launch Jupyter, and from the browser we can now select the kernel we just created. That's all. Hope it works for you. See you around and have fun.